The objective of this video is to show you how to decompose functions. To decompose functions, our goal is to find two functions f and g such that the composition of f with g gives us the function that we initially start with. So we're kind of working backwards. It's like we have the answer, we have to find out what was composed together to get this result that we have. I think the easiest way to kind of think of this is whenever you're looking at a function f and g, is that the function g is really the inside function. That is, what function is being plugged into another function. So f is what that function is being plugged into, or if you will, the outside function. So let's just go through a few of these examples. Like for instance, number 65, h of x is equal to 2x plus 1 quantity squared. Well, you can see there's really two functions being applied to that problem. There's a function 2x plus 1, which is a linear function, and then that is being plugged into the squaring function. And so the easiest way to do these is to identify what is inside first. So in number 65, we would say that the inside function, our g of x, is equal to that inner expression 2x plus 1. And now to find the outside function, instead of using 2x plus 1, let's replace that with just simply x, and that would be what remains in for our outside function, which is x squared. And you could certainly do the composition of those two to find out that you get that original function. Let's try another one. Let's say number 66. h of x is equal to 1 minus x cubed. So again, our inner function, identify that first, which is what? Yeah, it's 1 minus x. Our outside function is, what is that being plugged into? So and take away that 1 minus x, put the x for the replacement, and you'll find that that is x cubed. Okay? Let's do a couple more. What about number 69? It is the function 1 over x plus 2. So notice that we have this linear function x plus 2 that's plugged into this rational function. So our inside function, if you will, is that linear function of x plus 2. Well, what is it being plugged into? It's being plugged into, if you replace x plus 2 with just an x, being plugged into 1 over x. Okay. Number 70, our inside function is this 5x plus 2. The outside is 4 over x squared. Are you getting the hang of this? So g of x is 5x plus 2. What is that being plugged into? Again, replace the 5x plus 2 with an x to get 4 over x squared. Okay, and let me finish up with one of these two remaining problems, like number 72. So in 72, we have h of x is equal to x plus 3 to the 3 halves plus 4 times x plus 3 to the 1 half. So notice here there are two occurrences of that linear function x plus 3. And so that is the inside function. We can call our g of x as x plus 3. And then what is that being plugged into? Here again, replace that x plus 3 with just the variable x. And so we would find that our outside function is x to the 3 halves plus 4x to the 3 halves. I'm sorry, that is 1 half. Okay. So decomposition of functions may be the easiest thing that you've learned how to do, but you're just looking for the inside function, what is that being plugged into, and that is your outside function. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks.